Good morning, my freshmen. All right, so you have a super easy assignment today, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and check in on Classroom for the attendance, and then there is an ed puzzle on the design process, okay? So the design process is what happens when we are looking for an answer to our experiment that we were doing before, and we want to fix something. So when we talked about like love canal, and we decided we weren't sure what was going on, but we got an answer to the question, right? And the answer to the question was, oh my God, people are getting sick and they're dying because there was chemicals in the soil, okay? So in order to, move on, we had to figure out what exactly we could do to fix that problem. And they tested out different things, and they came up with like a plastic sheet. I mean, you guys saw that on the video, right? So the design process is really about like after you do the experiment, what you can do to build to make something better. Okay, so that's what your ed puzzle's on. Okay, that is also going to be on Classroom. Okay, it's not posted up here quite yet. It's going to look like via ed puzzle, but it's going to post on top of the do now, because it gets scheduled that way. Okay, just make sure that you answer all the questions. Try to make your spelling and your capitalization stuff good. And that is it for Monday's assignment, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. All right.